Transformers play many important roles in managing power fed to industrial systems. For facilities requiring secondary voltage stability when experiencing overload conditions such as inrush currents, a control transformer is essential. Control transformers are ideal solutions for circuits needing constant voltage or current with lower power and voltage and amp ratings. They are capable of maximizing inrush capability as well as voltage regulation on the output side at startup. Classified as an isolation transformer, these highly insulated units typically take on a step-down configuration from a higher voltage to a low voltage, such as 12 volts, 24 volts, or 110 volts. Applications include industrial plants, commercial operations, hospitals, offices, apartment buildings, schools, manufacturing, control circuits, panels, and more. As a UL 508A certified panel shop, Larson Electronics provides complete end-to-end control transformer system solutions for industrial sites. We can build and customize components on the system, such as control circuits that work with the control transformer. Our control transformers are designed for indoor and outdoor use. Check out our selection today at larsonelectronics.com. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.